So we go to the transaction code MIR6. And we pick the variant. And which gives us the fiscal year, the company code, the posting dates, along with other selections. Like just we are going to pull only those documents which is parked. Currently, our scenario is that once the invoice has been OCR'd, it will be in the park status. So these are the indicators that we have. So we can do another check also depending upon the business scenario. For our scenario, this is what those options we have to select. Now we will go and execute this transaction. And we click on the document. This is the park document number, which automatically opens the invoice, which is being sent by the OCR. So we close this. The user can validate the data over here in case if they want to do that. But in our case, we are not doing anything here. So we are going to close this pop-up. And just we go to the GL account tab in the bottom, where the system will automatically pull that GL account depending upon the expense type. So which is we have mapped those GL account cost centers along with the expenses type. And the PDF has been attached on the GOSH. So we go there, we can check the attachment too. So here is the attachment. It's been attached. Right. And we close this pop-up. We can do a simulation. We can do the adjustment in case if we want to do any adjustment on the dollar amount. So this is what it is. So it brought the expenses line item along with the tax code. There is a tax on that. So there is a tax pulled up and there is a difference in that tax amount, which is going to the loss or gain account. That's how we have set it up. So we will click the back button and we will post this document. Click on save. The document got posted. So, and automatically the document will be part of our blocked payment. So once we refresh, the invoice is gone. So we can go to transaction code FBL1N. BL1N, yeah. And just we run it wide open, just execute it. We are going to look all those open items, which has got posted as of today. So we click on the posting date column and click on the sort button on the top in the descending order. Yeah. So it's been sorted. So the document has to be here. So we go to the vendor line item with the FPL1N. And just we change the date to 4th of February. And we run wide open for the vendors. And the system, we can see the two documents has been posted. One is the PO, which starts with the 51 document number. And the non-PO, the KR document type is a non-PO document. Yep. Next. And the non-POS went with the payment block B. And the PO, we did not have that configuration set it up. So it's open for the payment. Okay. And yeah, so the attachment will be there and we can see the workflow too. Yeah, so this is the workflow for the audit trial if you want. So we do have this information. And we close this and go back. Yeah, back and back. Yeah, we are good.